वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स, आपका यूट्यूब चैनल शंकर कोचिंग में स्वागत है। मैं प्रोफेसर प्रेम शंकर आज 8th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को चैप्टर नंबर 3 अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल एनसीईआरटी बुक से पढ़ाऊंगा। आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक देखें। अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो आप इसे लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स, we will discuss one by one. Introduction, then polygons, then quadrilateral. So in the introduction part, we will see two things. One thing is what? One is the plane surface and another is the plane curve. So two things is there. One is the plane surface. Plane surface and another one is the plane curve. This is the plane curve. Plane curve. What is the plane surface? The plane surface is model of a paper. This is the model of the paper. Plane surface means model of paper is the plane surface. Then we have the next one. What is the plane curve? Okay. So for the plane curve, I have different types of curves. Like suppose first one, if the curve is like this, and then second one is if the curve is like this, and third one if the curve is like this, and the last one if the curve is like this. So these are the different types of curve. This curve is what? Simple closed curve. This is your simple closed curve. Simple closed. What about this? This is closed curve. That is not simple. Closed curve. That is closed curve, but it is not simple. Closed curve, but it is not simple. And then third one is simple curve. It is what? It is the simple curve, but it is not simple curve. That is not closed. That is not closed. Okay. Now the lastly is what? Is not a simple curve. This is what? This is not a simple curve. Okay. So this is what? This is the introduction part of this understanding quadrilaterals. In the next we will see the polygons. Now polygons. In the polygons we will discuss example, then its types, then property. Two property we will discuss. One is the angle sum property and another is the sum of exterior angle. So what is the polygon? Polygon is a simple curve. It's a simple curve made of only with one line segment. That is called the polygon. It's a simple curve made up of only one line segment. So that is called the polygon. So I am giving the different example of the polygons. Let's suppose you see the example of polygons. So these are the example of the polygons. Let's suppose one is like this. This is the polygon. Okay. Similarly, this one is also a polygon. This is the polygon. And this is also polygon. This is the polygon. These are all the polygons. Okay. So these are all what? These are all the polygons. So this is polygon. Polygon. Okay. Now these are not the polygon like this. This is or it is like this. This is also not the polygon. Similarly, like this, like this. So this is what? This is not the polygon. This is not polygon. Polygon is the not polygon. If you see carefully, this is not made up from one line segment. So this is the polygon, this is the not polygon. Now we will see the examples. Okay. After this, we will see what? We will see the examples of the polygons. So in the examples, I will take the sides and then corresponding names. I will see the sides and then I will see the corresponding names. I will see. See, if the three sides are there, the sides are 3, then it is what? It is obviously it's a 3 means tri. So triangle, it is a triangle. It's a triangle. If the sides are 4, then it is quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. If the sides are 5, so it is 5 for, so it is a pentagon. Similarly, if the sides are 6, so it is hexagon. Similarly, 7 is a heptagon. If the sides are 8, it's an octagon. Similarly, if the sides are n, this is your nanogon. Nanogon. Okay. N, 8 is for octagon. So if the sides are n, so it is n and n-gon. Okay. So these are the types, example of all these polygons. Now we will see the types. Okay. So for the types, we have the convex polygon and concave polygon. Convex and concave. So we have the types. In this types I have what? Concave and convex. Okay. So one is what? One is the concave and another is the convex. Okay. So suppose I am taking the types. First of all, let's suppose I am taking convex polygon. So in the convex polygon, we have like this. This is the convex polygon. Similarly, this is the parallelogram, and also this is a convex polygon. Then this is also convex polygon. So this is the convex polygon. And next one is what? One is a concave polygon. Is a concave polygon. So in the concave polygon, we have like this. These all are the concave polygons. This is the concave polygon. Next one is this is also a concave polygon. This is also a concave polygon. This is the concave. So convex polygon and the concave polygon. If you make the diagonal, if you make the diagonal, there are not any exterior in the convex one. Okay. Now one more is there, that is regular. Next one is what? Next is the regular polygon. A regular polygon. Okay. In the regular polygon, angles are equal as well as the sides are equal. Angles are equal as well as sides are equal. For example, I am taking this as this is equilateral triangle. In this, all angles are equal and all sides are equal. One more I will take, that is what? That is the square. This is also a regular polygon. In this all sides are equal and all angles are equal. All angles are also equal 90 degree. So it's a regular polygon. Then I have what? One more is there, irregular polygon. Irregular polygon. So in irregular polygons, either sides are not equal or the angles are not equal. So in the irregular polygon, I am taking a right angle triangle. This is irregular polygon. Angles are not equal as well as the sides are not equal. So this is irregular polygon. Similarly, I have one rectangle also. See in the rectangle also, what is that? Every angle is here. This is 90 degree. All angles are 90 degree. And sides are also not equal. So this is your irregular polygon. Now we will see the properties. Properties of the polygon. Okay. What is the property of the polygon? So if you see the property of the polygon, suppose we will see the property of the polygon. So property first is what? First is the angle sum. Angle sum. This is the angle sum property. Means what is the total sum of angles of a polygon? So let the side is in. So total angle will be equal to how much? Total angle is equal to how much? It is your n minus 2 into 180. Total angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Then sum of exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle, if I want to know what is the sum of all the exterior angle in a polygon. Sum of exterior angle. Sum of exterior angle. So in that case you will find that the sum of the exterior angle is how much? Is a 360, like this. Suppose this is one polygon is there, and we want to find what is the sum of the exterior angle. Let's suppose this is like this. This is like this. This is okay. So suppose one polygon is given, and we want to know what is all the sum of this exterior, sum of the exterior angle of this polygon. Let's suppose this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and let's suppose this is E. Okay, So A, B, C, D, E is like this. And I want to know what is the sum of this. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and lastly we have the 5. I want to know what is the sum of exterior angle in a polygon. Okay, so see, I am starting it from here. So angle 1, then I am going here in this way, the angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. So you will see I am starting from here, A to B, A to B, and then B to C, C to D, D to E, and again E to A. So I am taking the sum of the exterior angles. So again I am coming where? I am again coming to the AB. I am again coming to the AB. So in this case, the value of angle 1 plus angle 2, this is nothing but this is equal to your 360 degree. Okay. Now angle sum in the total angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Let's suppose I want to calculate angle also of this. Angle also I want to calculate. So these sides we call it what? We call it n. These sides we call it n. So in the triangle, how much it will be? It will be your 3 minus 2 into 180. So it is equal to 180. Now if I take the quadrilateral, so sides are 4. Okay, so this is 4 minus 2 into 180. So it is equal to how much? 360. Similarly for the pentagon. So for the pentagon it is 5 minus 2 into 180. So it is equal to how much? 540. Similarly for the hexagon. So for the hexagon, 6 minus 2 into 180, and it is equal to how much? 72. So 72. So the total angle of a triangle is 180, quadrilateral 360, pentagon 540, hexagon 72. And for n side, obviously it will be how much? It will be your n minus 2 into 180. So sum of all the angle is nothing but n minus 2 into 180, and sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. See, next we will see the quadrilaterals. So we have trapezium, kite, parallelogram. In the parallelogram, we will discuss elements, and then we will discuss special types. In the special types, we have the rhombus, rectangle, and square. So I am starting with the trapezium. Quadrilateral means what? Quadrilateral means 4 sides. In all this, there is 4 sides, but with some special property of sides, angles, and diagonals. So I am taking what? I am taking the first one. First one, that is what? That is the trapezium. Trapezium I am taking first one. Trapezium. So in the trapezium, one pair of sides are parallel in the trapezium. So I am giving few examples. of the teleprism. See, like this. This is, see, these two pair sides are parallel. Likewise, one more is there, like this. This is also a teleprism. Why? Because these two sides are parallel. So this is teleprism also. So this is the example of the teleprism. I am taking one more example. Let's suppose this one. This is also a teleprism, because this one pair of sides are parallel. This is also a teleprism, and this also one pair of sides are parallel. So these are the teleprism. Okay, so this is the teleprism, and in this part I will take not teleprism. For example, let's suppose this I am taking like this. This is not the teleprism. This is not the teleprism. Then I have like this simple. The simple one. Okay. This is also not the teleprism. So in the teleprism, one pair of sides are parallel. You see this one, no parallel side is here. So this is the teleprism, and this is what? This is not teleprism. This is not the teleprism. Okay. See in this figure, no pair is parallel. Okay, now the next one is kite. The next one is kite. The kite. Next one is kite. In the kite, one pair of sides are equal. One pair of sides are equal. Let's suppose I am taking this one. One pair of sides are equal. So here you can say this and this, these two. So this pair of sides are equal. So it is kite. Likewise, I can take another one like this. One pair of sides. So this and this is equal. So this is an example of kite. Okay. And not kite. Not kite. In the not kite portion, no pair of sides are equal in the not kite. Okay, for example, let's suppose I am taking this one. So it's a not a kite. Similarly, like this also not the kite. Okay. So this is the teleprism, kite. Then we will discuss parallelogram. Okay. Next one is what? Next one is parallelogram. 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 Next is what? Next is the parallelogram. So this parallelogram is like this, diagram of the parallelogram. A, B, C, this is D. This is the parallelogram. Now we will discuss parallelogram, its elements, and then the special types. In the special types, we have the rhombus, rectangle, and square. This rhombus, rectangle, and square is also, it is all at the parallelogram. So now we will discuss the parallelogram. First of all, I will discuss the elements, and then I will discuss its special types. Like this rhombus is there, rectangle is there, and square is there. Now, the next quadrilateral is parallelogram. This parallelogram we will discuss in detail. In detail means what are the elements of the parallelogram and what is the special types of this parallelogram. So, for discussing elements, I am drawing one parallelogram here. Suppose this is the parallelogram. Okay. This is the parallelogram. This is parallelogram A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This is the parallelogram. Now, I want to see first elements. So, if you see this parallelogram, you will find that sides are, if you see the sides, so the sides are AB, AB, BC, CD, ED, CD and ED. These are the sides. What about the angles? So for the angles, we have angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D for the angles. Then diagonals. You will see the diagonals. Diagonals. So what are the diagonals? So diagonals are AC and BD. AC and BD. So these are called elements of the parallelogram. Now it has certain properties. What is that? That is, the parallel lines are equal. Means first one is what? First one is AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. And another parallel line is what? BC and AD. So BC is equal to AD. Okay. And second one is what? Second one is the opposite angles are also equal. So your angle A is equal to angle C, and angle B is equal to angle D. Third one is what? Diagonals. So diagonals are bisecting each other. Means AC and BD, AC and BD bisecting each other, bisecting each other, One thing more, this is AB and BC. What is this? AB and BC, this is your adjacent side. Adjacent sides. and angle A and angle B. Angle A and angle B. This is your adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. So, in brief, you can say the elements of parallelogram is nothing but sides, angles and diagonals. And I had written here the few properties I had also written of this parallelogram. So these all are the elements. This is what better you call it. This is elements. Elements. This is the elements. Now we will discuss the types. Types. What are the types? So in the types, I will see first rhombus. Okay. So this first one is rhombus. 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 So always remember all these types: rhombus, rectangle, and square. All these are the parallelogram. So its property will resemble with the parallelogram. I am taking one example, types, that is the rhombus. Rhombus means it's a what? It's a parallelogram having all four sides are equal. All four sides are. Of course, it is parallel, but its all sides are equal. And suppose this is A, B, C, and D. So you will see what? You will see if you connect the diagonals, they are what? They are bisecting each other. These are bisecting each other. And the other properties of the parallelogram is also here, means these sides are equal, pair of sides are equal, and the opposite angles are also equal. So this is the case of the rhombus. Now, next you come to the rectangle. A rectangle. So in the case of rectangle, also it is a special type of parallelogram, and all the angles are equal. All the angles are equal. Means this is 90 degree, this is 90, this is 90, and this is 90. And its diagonal are also equal. One more property is there. So let's suppose this is A, B, C, and D. This portion is, let's suppose, O. So it also contains all the properties of this parallelogram. Beside that, the diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal. Now come to the last types, that is your square. Square. So let's suppose this is the square. Now A, this is B, and this is C, and this point is O. Now come to the square. A square is also a type of parallelogram. Only the difference is the diagonal of the square is bisecting each other as well as with the 90 degree. So these all are special types of parallelogram, and beside all the properties of the parallelogram, we follow by rhombus, rectangle and square. Beside that, we will see the diagonals also. Okay. So this is rhombus, rectangle and square, and this is the type of a parallelogram. Thanks for watching. If you any doubt, write in the comment box. If you like the content of video, please like it, subscribe it and share with your friends. Thank you.